Are you tired of twisting your wrist into a pretzel just to save a few bucks on hiring a handyman? Fear not! DIY warriors, the magical world of electric screwdrivers is here to rescue you from your tool troubles. Whether you're assembling furniture, tackling home repairs, or just trying to keep your sanity intact, these power-packed gadgets are the perfect blend of muscle and finesse. So grab your coffee and let's dive into the best electric screwdrivers that will have you fastening like a pro in no time. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in! Number 5. Black+Decker BDCSFL20C, our pick for best budget electric screwdriver. If you're on the hunt for a trusty sidekick in your DIY adventures that won't have you raiding your piggy bank, then the Black+Decker electric screwdriver is your perfect match. This nifty little gadget boasts a variable grip design that lets you effortlessly shift from inline mode for those tight, awkward spots to a pistol grip that feels like you're wielding a high-tech tool of the trade. With a 4-volt 1.5 amp-hour battery under the hood, this screwdriver packs enough punch for light-duty tasks like hanging your favorite art, swapping out signage, or fixing those pesky odds and ends around the house. Weighing in at just 1 pound, it feels as light as a feather in your hand, so your arms won't cry out for mercy after a quick round of repairs. And let's not forget the built-in light. It not only illuminates your work, but doubles as a flashlight for those "where did I put that" moments, though it might not be lighting up a stadium. Sure, it's not a heavyweight champion, but when it comes to everyday jobs, it shines. So, if you're ready to upgrade your toolkit with a reliable, comfy, and budget-friendly electric screwdriver that makes DIY feel less like hard labor and more like a walk in the park, look no further. Your home improvement projects just got a whole lot easier, and might even be fun. Number 4. DEWALT DCF680N1 Gyroscopic, our pick for best inline electric screwdriver. If you're on the hunt for a cordless screwdriver that gives off serious manual tool vibes, the DEWALT 8V Max Gyroscopic Inline Electric Screwdriver might just be your new best friend. With its sleek inline design, it fits perfectly in your hand, making you feel like a pro on a mission. And worry not about running out of juice mid-project. The nifty battery docking station keeps that 8V 1 amp-hour battery primed and ready. Plus, with a handy battery level indicator, you'll always know if it's time for a coffee break or a charging session. Now, let's talk about the gyroscopic action. Sure, it might take a minute to get the hang of it, like learning to ride a bike but without the scraped knees. But once you do, oh boy, a simple twist of your wrist adjusts the speed, making you feel like the wizard of screwdriving. This little powerhouse offers an LED light to brighten up those shadowy spots, a battery that charges in just an hour, and a variable speed setting that goes up to 430 RPM with a torque of 4.5 Nm to boot. So, embrace the innovation and let your DIY project shine brighter and smoother than ever. The right tools can make all the difference, and this one's here to turn you into the superhero of your own projects. Still searching for the perfect electric screwdriver? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Black+Decker Pivoting Handle, our pick for best electric screwdriver for furniture assembly. If you're on the hunt for a trusty sidekick to conquer the wild world of flat-pack furniture assembly, look no further than the Black+Decker driver. This little gem is as dependable as your favorite takeout place on a rainy day. With its modest 4 volts of power, it's tailor-made for handling those delicate particle boards without turning your new bookshelf into kindling. With a max speed of 180 RPM, driving screws becomes a breeze. No more overdriving fasteners and risking a furniture fiasco. You'll feel like a pro effortlessly maneuvering through assembly tasks with this tool's ingenious spindle lock. Need to loosen a stubborn screw? Just crack it free by hand before letting the driver take over. It's like tag teaming your assembly blues. But we're not done yet. The handle pivots like a skilled dancer, allowing you to hit those tricky angles and tight spots with ease. No more wrestling with your furniture, you'll glide through the assembly process, feeling like a DIY hero in your own home. And at just 1 pound, this driver is as lightweight as a feather. Your hands will thank you during those marathon assembly sessions. Plus, it comes with 2 bits, so you're all set to unleash your inner handyman right out of the box. Make your furniture assembly an enjoyable adventure. Get the Black+Decker driver and turn your flat pack woes into triumphs. Number 2. Bosch PS21. Our pick for best heavy-duty electric screwdriver. If you're on the hunt for a heavy-duty electric screwdriver that packs a punch without hogging space in your toolbox, look no further than the Bosch. This little dynamo boasts a quick top speed of 350 RPM in one mode and revs up to a whopping 1,300 RPM in another. Talk about versatility! With an impressive torque output of 30 Nm, it's ready to tackle everything from assembling IKEA furniture to daring DIY adventures. Sure, the kit might seem simple with just two 12-volt 2-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a carrying case, but don't let that fool you. The power packed into this beauty rivals even the most complex tools. The standout 20-position clutch is a game changer, keeping you from stripping screws or over-tightening those delicate fasteners that can turn into real headaches, especially when working on smaller electronics. The Bosch zipped through screws quicker and smoother than its competitors. It's surprisingly compact yet mighty, giving you the best of both worlds. Plus, those 2-amp-hour batteries? They give you the edge over many rivals stuck with wimpy 1.5 amp-hour options. And let's not forget the comfy rubber grip that makes prolonged use feel like a cakewalk, even if it's a tad heavier than others. Looking for a trusty sidekick for your fastening feats? The Bosch delivers strength and precision, all with a wink. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DEWALT DCF680N2 Gyroscopic, our pick for best electric screwdriver overall. If you find yourself frequently wrestling with screws like it's an Olympic sport, it's time to meet your new best friend, the DEWALT DCF680N2 electric screwdriver. This 8-volt powerhouse is not your average tool. It's got a snazzy DEWALT Max battery pack that charges faster than you can say DIY disaster. With a single charge lasting days, you'll never be left high and dry in the middle of a project. What makes this bad boy stand out is its gyroscopic magic. Seriously, it reads your hand movements better than your best friend during a game of charades. Turn your wrist to the right to send screws flying in, or twist it to the left to reverse the chaos. And with a speed capacity of up to 430 RPM and 15 torque settings up to 40 inch-pounds, you're basically the maestro of screw driving. Ergonomics? You bet! Switch between a pistol grip or inline grip with ease, making it feel like it was custom designed just for you. Perfect for those pesky tight spaces. Plus, a built-in LED light ensures you won't miss a single screw or shadow lurking in the corner. The kit includes 2 batteries, a charger, and a stylish carrying bag. Just don't forget to snag yourself some bits. Elevate your DIY game and let the DEWALT DCF680N2 do the heavy lifting while you reign supreme as the home improvement hero. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best electric screwdrivers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which electric screwdriver you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.